Here we are again for lesson number 2. We're going to go a little deeper into it this time. The end of the flute just fits right on the edge of your lips. It's kind of like kissing your grandmother. You don't stick the flute in your mouth. Just like that. Now we're going to cover the holes with our fingers. Not a big breath pressure, not just a gentle breath pressure. That's called the fundamental note. Now when you first start, sometimes it's a little difficult to cover the holes, and this will happen. That means air is leaking out from under one of the fingers. Don't panic, everything's okay. Just move the fingers around a little bit. Oh, there it is again. There it is, the fundamental note. Now you're using the pads of your fingers, not the tips of your fingers. Not like this, but like this. Now we're going to go up one note at a time. Second finger. Third finger. Don't get the fingers way up here. They just have to clear the holes. Now this finger stays down. I'll explain that later. Now the last note. It's a scale. The scale's like a little tune. You've already got one tune. It's that easy. I'm not saying that it's not a little effort involved in learning to play, and you may get a feeling like you're maybe, oh my God, I'm starting to panic here, this isn't right, what am I doing? Calm down, everything's going to be okay. Give yourself a break, listen to your spirit. Your spirit says everything is just fine, just into the flute.